When looking for a school, it was very important for us as parents to find a school that would be smaller classroom size, a well-rounded learning environment with the teachers, support staff, and just a place where she could, grow and excel. Ironically, I started looking at Philmore Academy when McKenna was just 2 years old. I saw the school online and I loved everything about it. The whole concept of the STEM program, just what they do for the kids, the learning environment. So I reached out to the school at 2, but of course we had to wait till she turned 4. So the biggest things that brought us to the school was the school academics themselves, the learning environment, the small classrooms, and just somewhere that she could feel the love and support and not feel overwhelmed just starting her academic career. So I would definitely have parents, take a look at everything that's offered at the school, not just the academics, but also from the nurturing and caring part of the school as well. What I found here is this is definitely a family environment. The teachers, they love what they do. They pour into the kids. Principal Philon, she's done a wonderful job with just building this fantastic academy for our kids to attend, and just to see how my child has grown from 4 years old to 9 years old, and just how she is poised and how she articulates things. And she loves coming to school. This is her safe place. She loves her teacher. She loves Principal Philon, her friends. Just the overall environment has just been so wonderful for her and for our family. So when looking for schools and looking to privatize, definitely look at the academics that are offered here, the growth, the environment, the support that you would get as a parent. It definitely feels like a second home for our family.
Hi, I am Caprice Little. I'm a parent here at Philmore Academy. I actually have 2 kids enrolled currently. I have Jaden, who is in the 5th grade, and Khalil, who is in the 1st grade. So both of my kids have been here for quite some time. Jaden has been enrolled since the 2020 school year. He was in kindergarten actually when we discovered Philmore Academy, and my youngest, Khalil, has been here since pre-K 4. So this is a very interesting story. As you all know, during the pandemic, things were awry. We were actually scheduled to go to another school. They did not open back up. So we were scrambling 2 weeks prior to school opening, and no one had availability. I stumbled upon Philmore Academy, called, and it felt instantly like home. It was so comforting to hear not only from a staff, but the principal of the organization. She made me feel like this would be the best decision that we could ever make. And to this day, she hasn't been proven wrong. It's nothing like being able to drop your kids off to a safe environment. In this world, in this current economy, that is top notch. I could leave my kids here knowing that they are fully fulfilled. I look for a holistic school from top to bottom. Not only academics, but a family environment, a nurturing environment. It feels so good to know that the parents, the students, the staff all care about each other here.
Zoe has been with Philmore since kindergarten. She is currently in the 6th grade. However, she did start early and she skipped a grade. So what was important to us as a family, just really putting her around like-mindedness. We knew Zoe was gifted. She's really different, if you get a chance to meet her. And I wanted her to be around other children of color who were in the same like-mindedness.
For me, I would say the family environment. It's from the very beginning, since we come here, everybody is so supportive. It's like an extended family. Every day, the principal's outside greeting children. She knows all their names. She hugs them as they come in, and there's just, you can't ask for more than that, to know that your child is in a very warm, welcoming environment every day. She loves it. She wants to be here all day, every day, even on the weekends. And all of her friends, they can't get enough of each other. They want to hang out on the weekends and after school and all the time.
My advice would be to just come out and see for yourself. Just don't take anybody's opinion. Just come out and assess the situation. Actually do it a couple of times. One visit may not be enough, but just see it for your, firsthand for yourself. The confidence. She's a very confident young lady, and that's one of the foundations for her to become a great individual.